I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove calcium from faucet only way. Start by filling a plastic bag with white vinegar and secure it around the faucet with a rubber band so the affected area soaks for 1 hour. Remove the bag, scrub with a soft brush, rinse thoroughly, and dry with a microfiber cloth. For stubborn buildup, repeat the soak, or remove the aerator and soak that separately for best results. Warm up the idea by preparing white vinegar and a small plastic bag, then position the bag around the faucet so the calcium-covered areas are submerged. Fasten the bag with a rubber band so it stays sealed and let it soak for 1 hour to loosen deposits. After soaking, remove the bag, use a soft toothbrush to scrub away softened calcium, rinse thoroughly with water, and dry the metal to restore shine. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: the leak-proof containers you see here make meal prep and cleanup a breeze and pair nicely with a clean kitchen faucet for tidy routines. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel and find the exact product. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If the aerator or small parts are affected, unscrew them and soak separately in vinegar to reach internal passages. Use a soft toothbrush or nylon brush to clean threads and screens without scratching finishes. For heavy buildup, repeat soaking cycles until water flows freely and metal surfaces appear clean. Finish with a thorough rinse and dry to prevent new mineral deposits from forming and to keep your faucet looking polished and working well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.